WIT stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Wipro Limited stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Generally, just looking at Wipro Limited is so sick. It's just so bullish. And generally, like what I would look to do is zoom out and just kind of understand the whole higher time frame bias. You know, here's my top of the range. Here's my demand zone. And key part here is that would it make sense for me to buy now? Well, exactly right now, not necessarily, but if there's a solid double break, then of course I'm looking to double down and do all that good stuff. You know, I'm waiting for my rules to be met. Like here's the top of the range here. I've got like around, okay, no receipts, but generally waiting because this can be huge if rules are met. Stay tuned, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights, just stay tuned simultaneously. Click the first link in the description. It's free.